What if I told you that the decisions you make with your money in the next year could determine the rest of your financial future? Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the kicker. It's true. 2025 is your golden window to set up your finances like a pro. Whether you're just starting out or trying to make sense of the chaos in today's economy, I'm here to guide you step by step. And trust me, this isn't just about investing. It's about securing your freedom. Ready to take charge? Let's get started. The setup. Why investing in 2025 is crucial. Here's the harsh reality. Inflation is still eating away at your savings. Housing prices continue to climb, and wages haven't kept up. You're already behind if you're relying on a 9-to-5 paycheck alone. But there's a brighter side to this story. 2025 is a year of opportunities. This is the perfect time to start investing strategically, from new tech trends to undervalued markets. And no, investing doesn't mean blowing your paycheck on meme stocks or the latest crypto hype. Let's be smarter than that, shall we? So where should you put your money? Let's dive into the strategies that pros swear by. The conflict. Start with index funds, the beginner's gold mine. First up, index funds. These are the bread and butter of smart investing. Think of them as a basket of the top-performing stocks, giving you instant diversification without the headache of picking individual winners. They're perfect for you. They're low cost, low risk, and historically outperform most actively managed funds. Warren Buffett himself suggests index funds for everyday investors. But there's one thing most people overlook about index funds, something that could cost you thousands. I'll explain it shortly, but first, real estate. Without breaking the bank. Real estate isn't just for millionaires. Thanks to platforms like REITs, real estate investment trusts, you can invest in properties with as little as $100. Imagine owning a piece of a shopping mall, apartment complex, or even a skyscraper, without the stress of being a landlord. But here's the catch. Not all REITs are created equal. Picking the wrong one can leave you with poor returns. How do you avoid the traps? Stick around, because I'll connect the dots in just a bit. And no, buying a fixer-upper from a late-night TV ad isn't what I'm suggesting. High-yield savings and bonds, safety nets with growth. High-yield savings give you liquidity, cash you can access in a pinch, while bonds provide stability and steady growth. These options won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they'll protect you when markets get volatile. So, how do you balance safety with growth? That's where the real magic happens, and we're getting to it. The resolution. Here's the key to investing like a pro in 2025. Diversification. It's not about putting all your money in one place. It's about spreading your investments across stocks, real estate, and safe options like bonds. This way, you're covered no matter what the market throws at you. And remember, investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it like making a sandwich. You wouldn't pile on all meat or just bread. You need the right balance to make it perfect. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredient to take your investments to the next level. Want to know the ultimate strategy for building wealth over time? It's called the power of compounding, and it's the most important concept in investing. Click on the next video to learn how small, consistent investments can turn into massive wealth over time. Don't miss it. Your financial future depends on it.